Look at that cute cat. I think I'm going to grab it.
No, I'll do it for you.
No, it's okay.
Don't get wet. Aim.
Wait, don't go outside. It's very bad weather. Wait, I have an umbrella for you.
Oh no, you don't have to. It's very bad weather. Go inside.
No, I don't want.
Huh? The cat is gone.
What? What are you looking for?
Yeah, a cat.
In the rain?
Yes. I wanted it so badly.
Come, go inside. It's very bad weather. No, it was already gone.
I wanted it so badly. I'm tired of looking like a boy. I should let my hair grow out.
You look just fine.
No, I want long hair. I want a cat. I want it to be spring, and I want new clothes.
Just shut up and read something.
Go inside. Look what I found. Oh, thank you so much.